Welcome to Simplicity, a channel dedicated to exploring the art of living a mindful and balanced life. In today's video, we'll delve into the transformative practice of mindfulness and how it can bring clarity and serenity into our daily existence. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the here and now, is a powerful tool that can enhance our overall well-being. By cultivating mindfulness daily, we can cultivate a profound sense of peace and contentment. So, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate mindfulness into our lives. One way to practice mindfulness is by engaging in a mindful walk. Take a moment each day to disconnect from the noise of the world and connect with the beauty of nature. As you stroll, pay attention to each step, the feeling of the ground beneath your feet, and the subtle sounds of nature surrounding you. By immersing yourself in the present moment, you'll experience a deeper connection with the world around you. Another opportunity to practice mindfulness is during mealtime. Instead of rushing through your meals, take the time to savor each bite. Engage your senses fully, appreciating the colors, textures, and flavors of the food. As you eat, bring your attention to the sensations in your body and the act of nourishing yourself. By practicing mindful eating, you'll not only enjoy your meals more, but also develop a healthier relationship with food. Journaling is yet another powerful way to cultivate mindfulness. Set aside a few moments each day to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Allow your pen to flow freely on the pages, without judgment or the need to edit. By expressing your thoughts and feelings, you'll gain insight into your inner world and develop a greater sense of self-awareness. Yoga, a practice that combines movement, breath, and mindfulness, is a fantastic way to integrate mindfulness into your daily routine. Through yoga, you can cultivate a deep connection between your body and mind. As you flow through the poses, focus on your breath and allow it to guide you. Embrace the sensations in your body and let go of any distractions. By practicing yoga mindfully, you'll not only strengthen your body but also cultivate inner peace. Of course, we can't talk about mindfulness without mentioning meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to sit in stillness and observe your breath. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your attention to the present moment. With regular practice, you'll develop a greater sense of calm and clarity that will permeate your daily life. So, there you have it. By practicing mindfulness daily through activities such as mindful walks, eating, journaling, yoga, and meditation, you can bring a sense of tranquility and purpose to your life. Embrace the present moment and watch as your journey unfolds with greater clarity and joy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who might benefit from these mindfulness tips. Remember, simplicity is the key to unlocking a more meaningful and fulfilling life.